Why don't we do this? Why don't we start with Bahador, you talking about how did it all begin? Tell us a little bit about your YouTube channel, what you do there exactly, and how did it all start?
Well, it started just as a hobby. My wife and I mean, I had the channel just, for fun. I wasn't really doing much with it. I was just making videos when I traveled. But the idea, my wife and I had this, when we were talking about finding ways to bring people closer together. And, we live in Toronto and have so many different friends from different backgrounds and different cultures. And I always had this history of how languages and cultures influence one another. This is something I had
Mhm.
a lot of interest in from a long time ago, and something I came across when I was traveling a lot. I think I mentioned before that my job is I work 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off, so I have half the month off. And before I was single, before didn't have kids and all that, I used to travel a lot. Every month I was going to a different country, and during that time, I remember going to different places, and I constantly come across certain cultural aspects or certain words in different languages where I recognize this, or this looks familiar, this is interesting, and that's probably where the idea kind of started, where I'm like, it would be kind of cool to uh, you know demonstrate this on a bigger scale somehow and use it as a way, and that's when we thought about it, is we can use this as a way of bringing people closer together. They get to learn about each other and also, put it out there so, millions of other people do the same thing.
Amazing, amazing.